I'm gonna be doing some lines for Howlingstones Productions. I'm gonna be doing my lines for Falcon. Sorry, I'm about. If you guys heard that text message, I'm gonna be doing my lines for Falcon and Blizzard. Zeus, get down. So I'm sorry that it took so long for Falcon's lines. Well, it didn't take too long, but, you gave them to me a while back, so yeah. Anyways, I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore, so here are Falcon's lines, and then I'll do Blizzard's. I have to go. I have to go. I have to go. Liam? I'll do that again, I'm sorry. Liam? Get away from him, Thrash. Get away from him, Thrash. Leave him alone. Liam, are you okay? Liam, are you okay? Hey, Liam, what's up? Hey, Liam, what's up? Sure, Liam, what's wrong? Sure, Liam. Oh, God, I'm sorry. Sure, Liam, what's wrong? I like you too, Liam. I like you too, Liam. Of course I do. I love you. Of course I do. I love you. What is it, Dad? What is it, Dad? A male? Yes, Dad. I love Liam. Do you have a problem with that? A male? Yes, Dad. I love Liam. Do you have a problem with that? I love him. Why can't you just accept that? I love him. Why can't you just accept that? Love is not a choice, Dad. Love is not a choice, Dad. Well, then I made that choice the day I was born. Liam, you should... We are leaving, so we don't have to deal with you any longer. Come on, Liam. We are leaving, so we don't have to deal with you any longer. Come on, Liam. What is it, Liam? He doesn't accept us. He doesn't accept us. Let's just forget about him. Liam, do you want to live out here with me? No one to tease us, no one to say. Let's forget about him. Liam, do you want to live out here with me? No one to tease us, no one to say. I love you, Liam. Okay, so those are Falcon's lines, and I hope that they are good. Okay, Falcon and Liam are just the cutest things, okay? Okay, so now I just gotta find where she gave me Blizzard's lines, because it's here they are. Okay. So these are Blizzard's lines. I hope that's okay that I did them in the same video. I mean, if you want me to do it in separate videos, I mean, I'll do that, but I don't think it mattered. So, anyways. Hey, Dad, what's up? Hey, Dad, what's up? Cool. Yeah, be quiet, Oak. Yeah, be quiet, Oak. I don't know, but he told us to run, Oak, so we're going to run. I don't know, but he told us to run, Oak, so we're going to run. Of course we will. Now come on. Of course we will. Now come on. Okay, everything should be calm now. Let's head back. Okay, everything should be calm now. Let's head back. I'm sure he's okay, Oak. I'm sure he's okay, Oak. Dad? Dad! He's gone, Oak, and it's all your fault. He's gone, Oak, and it's all your fault. You heard me. You heard me. This is all your fault. This is all your fault. I'm sorry, this one kills me. If you had never stepped on that... I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. Okay, I'll be serious, If you had never stepped on that twig, he would still be alive. No. If you had never even come, he would still be alive. Ew, what was that? Hold on, I'll do that again. If you had never stepped on that twig, he would still be alive. No. If you had never even come, he would still be alive. Oh, trust me. You will be. Oh, trust me. You will be. Hello, Mother. Hello, Mother. Okay. So, those are my lines for Blizzard, and last time I'll be voicing for Blizzard unless she does a sequel. So goodbye, Blizzard. Okay, goodbye. Dude, you're a brat to your brother, though. Anyways, so I hope that those were both good enough. Zeus, I don't know why you were licking my hand. You were the weirdest cat I've ever seen. Anyways, I'm sorry. I hope that those were good enough. Sorry about the random messages that you've seen from my friend. She was texting me about a short film she's doing, so yeah, and she wants me to be in it, and that's what that was all about. So, okay, thank you for watching. Okay, bye.